Even as curfew in several districts of Assam continues, Guwahati, however, is limping back to normalcy as the curfew was relaxed from 9 am to 4 pm. Long queues outside shops were seen at several places of Guwahati including Dispur, Ujan Bazar, Chanmari, Silpukri, Anuradha, Narangi, Hatigao, Juror. Alleging right violation by the concerned authorities, women members of Consumer Affairs and Food and Public Distribution Labourers Welfare Association today staged a sit-in demonstration at Kaisampat Laimajam Laikai Community Hall, Imphal West. A large number of police, including women personnel, arrived at the scene and tried to foil the protest, resulting in a scuffle. A combined team of NAB, NCB, Imphal East Police, Sagolmang Police, assisted by residents of Khongbal Tangkhul village, today destroyed 1 acre of illegal poppy plantation at Maharani Hilltop, about 6 km from Khongbal Tangkhul village. The team was led by Superintendent of Police of Narcotics Affairs and Border, W. Basu. A 2-day-long national seminar on combating climate change and integrated action plan was kicked off today at the auditorium of NELIT, Akampat, Imphal. The seminar is jointly hosted by Institute of Engineer, India, Manipur State Centre and Interdisciplinary Coordination Committee, IEI, Headquarter, Kolkata. Ghari Awang Laikai Women's Development Centre has celebrated its 32nd Foundation Day at the Ghari Awang Laikai Community Hall today. Local residents also attended the event. The US, the UK, France and Israel have issued travel advisories following violent protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act in parts of the Northeast, advising their citizens either not to travel to the region or to exercise caution, a media report said. Famed New Zealand Olympic middle distance runner Peter Snell has died in Dallas at age 80. As per media reports, sports historian and friend Ron Polanski confirmed Snell had died at his Texas home on December 12 after years of heart problems. Snell, considered New Zealand's greatest athlete, won 3 Olympic gold medals.